How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another anime drawing tutorial. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to draw the Frill Pokémon Flittle. You can use a digital tablet like myself, or paper and pencil to follow along. You may also need the following art tools listed below for drawing. Let's begin. To start off the drawing, we'll need to draw down the base shape, so we'll start by drawing a nice big round circle in the center of our page. This is a Frill Pokemon, so we'll need to draw in a shape below the circle so it will turn out looking like a UFO. This will help us place in the frills of the Pokemon later. One side should definitely be thicker than the other. Using the shape that we just drew in, we will now draw in the first frill. Starting a third of the way in on the baseline, draw in a wavy line, ensuring to cover the points shown in the step. Just below that curved line we drew in for the frill, we are now going to draw in another one for the second frill. Use the base shapes to help you draw in the curved line. Under the first frill, we will need to draw in a curved line to finish off the second frill. This will start on the left side of the frill and curve around like shown. When happy, draw in the back of the frill on the left side. For this, draw in a curved line connecting the side of the body to the first frill. To finish the frills off, add in a few line details above the first frill and rub out the unwanted guidelines indicated. We are now going to start on the face. For this, draw in a horizontal guideline halfway down the circle, then draw in two eyes like demonstrated. When happy with the eyes, draw in the eyelashes above the eyes. They will almost look like little flower petals. Now, rub out the unwanted guidelines in the eyes and draw in the mouth and the triangle symbol located in the center of Flittle's head. Once again, rub out the guidelines we no longer need. At the top of Flittle's head, there are two more parts we need to draw in. We will start with the base parts. For this, we will need to draw in 6 triangles, 3 on each side to form 2 crown-like shapes. When happy, draw in the bigger frill parts as shown. The left side has an extra smaller piece to show some shape and definition. We are nearly done, guys. We just now need to draw in Flittle's lower body and feet. To do this, draw in a curved line underneath the second frill as demonstrated. Then add in 2 rounded triangles for the feet. Make any touch-ups that you feel that the drawing needs. Then outline your drawing using a black pen or a fine liner. Take your time with this as you don't want to make any mistakes. This is an extra step, so feel free to skip, but you can colour in your drawing. You can use any materials you like for this step and use flat colours. I like to use a range of tones and shades just to give my drawing a little more life. You have now acquired your very own Flittle. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful in any way, boop that like button and don't forget to click that subscribe button to see more future tutorials.